So in a periodic table, the elements are divided into 4 blocks. They are S block, P block, D block and F block. Correct? So what are S block elements? The last electron are filled in S orbital, means it is known as S block element. So the general electronic configuration of S block element is N S 1 to 2. So what are the properties of S block elements? Soft metal, low melting boiling point, highly reactive. Most of them have color flame. They form ionic compound, good conductors of heat and electricity. So P block elements, what do you mean by P block elements? The compounds that are actually P block element means that the element, the electronic configurations are completed. Last shell electrons are present in P orbital. So it is present as in P block element. Constitute the group 13 to group 18. Group 13 to group 18 elements are known as P block element. Group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 are known as P block elements. They are most reactive and vigorously reactive non-metallic elements which readily gain electrons to get more stable state. The compounds of the elements are mostly covalent in nature. They show variable oxidation state. In moving from left to right in a period, the non-metallic character of the element increases. The reactivity of elements in group generally decreases downwards. At the end of each period is a noble gas element with a closed valence shell, that is NS2-NP6 configuration. So metallic character increases as we go down the group. Here are some examples of P block elements. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. If you see that all those elements has last electrons are present in P orbital. Next one is D block elements. So D block element, they are actually transition elements. Group 3 to group 12 are known as D block elements. The general configuration of electronic configuration of D block element is N-1, D 1 to 10 and NS0 to 2. That is a general configuration of D block element. So the D block elements are also known as transition elements because they have incompletely filled d orbital in their ground state or in any of the oxidation state. Here are that explanation of P block element. Example of P block elements. So it's a P block element is important one because noble gases, halogens are present in P block elements. Metals are there, metalloids are there, non-metals are there, all those are present in P block. Example of P block elements and electronic configuration. Next one, D block elements. So what are the elements of D block elements? The transition elements are D block elements. So properties of D block elements are, they are all metals with high melting and boiling point. The compounds of the elements are generally paramagnetic in nature. They mostly form colored ions, exhibit variable valency. They are oftenly used as catalyst. Why do we say the transition elements? They have incompletely filled d orbital. Example of d orbital d block elements. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium are the one are example of D block elements. Next one, F block element. If you see that F block element, general configuration is n minus 2 F 1 to 14, n minus 1 D 0 to 1 and n S2. So all those in this electronic configuration, the F, D, S, all those orbital will be covered. They are known as inner transition elements because in the transition elements of D block, the electrons are filled in n minus 1 D subshell, while in inner transition elements of F block, the filling of electron takes place in n minus 2 F subshell, which happens to one inner subshell. So they are known as inner transition elements. Actually there are two main part, that is we kept as a separate block down as lanthanoids and actinoids. Down of the periodic table the two blocks are kept, they are only known as F block element. Here is the difference between a D block element and F block elements are there. D block elements and F block elements go through the points. We know the D block elements, last electrons are present in D orbital, F means it is present in F orbital. They are transition elements, they are inner transition elements. Lanthanides and acts are present in F orbital, F block element. So here the characteristics of transition element is there. There are a few points of periodic table. Which are the elements are metals, which metals are elements are non-metals, what is the speciality of oxygen, carbon, nitrogen. If you see the F block element character, the two rows of element at the bottom of the periodic table, that is called lanthanoids and actinoids, they are called inner transition elements. They are all metals within the series. The properties of elements are quite similar. Most of the elements of the actinoid series are radioactive nature. These are the common properties of F block elements. So go through this all those elements which are present in particular block, learn the electronic configuration,